Here's something most people didn't see coming. Insta360's own CEO just confirmed on the record that the company is building not one, but two interchangeable lens mirrorless cameras. Not a leaked slide, not a random forum post. The actual CEO said it out loud. And if you've been following the rumors around the so-called Insta360 Z ONE, this changes the entire conversation. Because now we're not just talking about whether one mystery camera is real, we're talking about an entire lineup Insta360 is quietly building behind the scenes. And honestly, the most interesting part isn't even the two cameras themselves, it's what the CEO said about one of them. According to the CEO, one of these two cameras will reportedly have a completely unconventional shape, unlike anything we've seen from a traditional mirrorless system. Think about that for a second. Every mirrorless camera from Sony, Canon, Nikon, they all follow roughly the same rectangular body language. If Insta360 is breaking that mold, that's a real design risk, and companies don't usually take risks like that unless they think it solves a real problem. There's also word that a prototype could actually be shown publicly at CP Plus 2027, which would be the first real hands-on moment the public gets with whatever this thing turns out to be. And honestly, the most interesting part isn't even the two cameras themselves. It's what the CEO said about one of them. Images had surfaced online appearing to show an Insta360 interchangeable lens camera paired with an Olympus lens, which strongly suggested a micro 4/3 mount. Insta360 never confirmed that leaked camera was a Z ONE, and they still haven't. But the timing of this new CEO confirmation makes that old leak suddenly a lot more relevant. If reports are accurate, that leaked prototype reportedly featured a roughly 20-megapixel micro 4/3 sensor, possibly a Sony IMX472, along with a large rear touchscreen and even talk of 4K at 120 frames per second. Again, none of this is officially confirmed by Insta360, so treat it as a strong rumor, not a spec sheet. Insta360 isn't the only action camera brand chasing this space either. GoPro has already announced its GoPro Mission 1 Pro ILS, a compact interchangeable lens system built for creators who want cinema-style flexibility in a rugged body. But based on what the CEO described, Insta360's approach sounds philosophically different. Instead of just adding a lens mount to an action camera, Insta360 says it wants to use AI to make interchangeable lens shooting genuinely easier for people who've never touched the mirrorless camera in their life. That's a bigger ambition than GoPro's play. And if they pull it off, it could open mirrorless photography to a whole new audience that currently finds it intimidating. There's no confirmed price, no release window, and no final spec sheet for either camera, including whatever ends up being called the Insta360 Z ONE. What we do know is that Insta360 is officially working on two mirrorless cameras. One of them looks like nothing else on the market, and CP Plus 2027 could be our first real look. Everything else right now is still speculation dressed up as excitement. So which excites you more, the possibility of a totally new camera shape, or finally seeing the Insta360 Z ONE become real? Drop your guess in the comments, hit like if you want the full breakdown when CP Plus 2027 comes around, and subscribe so you don't miss the reveal. This story is just getting started.